He's tested positive for cocaine, bencyclidine.
I believe he's a good young man. He just needs some guidance. And his test results show he's clean. We're asking that, not those, but
This is June 24th.
but today
I know.
he tested and he's clean.
Yeah, he was supposed to be clean before he got tested positive.
I understand that, Your Honor. But
Do you understand? Do you understand that you're not supposed to be using drugs? That's a condition of your bond.
He said no one told him that.
Yeah, they do.
that
But nonetheless, they don't have to tell you using meth is wrong and a crime or cocaine. Sir, come on. You're in the big leagues now. We're talking about people going to life imprisonment here or the death penalty. This is what happens in this room. Well, buckle up. You're going to be held accountable. You understand? You're going to be held accountable for your actions, just like I would. We all are.
Your Honor,
We make foolish choices.
he was willing to take tests every week.
Well, it doesn't have a choice if he's willing to.
Well,
If I understand, he's going to have to do it.
I understand that.
But
But I'm asking right now,
How do we withdraw this stuff? How do we undo this?
because he's clean now.
What? No, it's.
I don't know about the patch, Your Honor.
Hold on. You're saying this like, just let me. I'll never commit another crime again, and I make a promise.
No,
That's not.
Judge,
It's
that's not
got to
what
be
I'm
more than that. It's got to be more than this.
I don't know what all was involved in that. I don't know about the patch. I know there have been bad patches before. I'm not saying that this is. I'm just asking the court to allow him to move forward from today. I'm willing to work with him. I believe in him that much. At least I will work with him. And at this point, this is not third, fourth, fifth. We're asking he be given an opportunity from today. I can't change anything from yesterday or before. I don't know what the future holds, but I know right now, I feel he's made a commitment to me, and I'm going to make a commitment to the court that I will work with him. And that's all I'm asking.
Okay. What's that say?
Judge, since he's clean today, we just put a zero tolerance on him, make sure that we go testing regularly for a little while. Make sure that he stays clean. We'll continue to still got the patch on him. We'll see how the patches test out. He's currently on.
May I ask that we either do something with a new patch, but he's willing to come in each week to have drug tests. We'll go to probation. Let him go to probation.
No, we're going to do. No, we're going to do what we do with everybody else. He's not going to be treated any different. He's going to be treated like everybody else, and we change out the patches. And
That's fine.
we're not going to make special arrangements. You treat it like everybody else because it's been working fine. The method works fine.
Well, I'm just a little concerned. I've heard about bad patches, and this,
Give me some medical science on that. Let me know.
Okay.
I know what I hear, but
okay,
I hear a lot.
I understand.
That is that we throw out the back window because it makes a good story.
I understand, John.
But we're talking about science here.
Yes.
So what are we going to do with this case?
We're just asking, reset. Let me make sure we have, this is the first setting for me.
Yeah, it's just, it was indicted in December though. See, how can it be the first setting? What happened? I mean, this is 7 months down the road. We're 8 months. We're in the 8th month of this.
I didn't show anything.
Came in June.
But there were other attorneys before you. Apparently, Langston was in there.
Well, I'm just saying, this was my first setting, John.
We're 8 months into this, so we just don't change lawyers and start from scratch again. How much time do you need?
Give it 30 days.
Yeah, you got 6 weeks.
That's fine.
But Langston, how long was Langston Adams your attorney? For a few months? He may have some information for you.
Okay.
He may have some information for you that you need to put in your file.
I'll find
Get a
out.
resetting.
Thank you, Judge.